Hello all. Welcome to the another session for a BBA third semester on the subject computer application. So in this session, we're going to discuss on the topic which is known as high level language. So especially your high level language is a language which is being used for developing your programs, and at the same time using your high level language we can also develop the sophisticated applications which can be used in the day-to-day life. So first and foremost, we will going to understand what you mean by your high level language. So usually in the computer language we're going to come across three types of language. So one is your machine level language, so which will be dealing with the zeros and ones, that is nothing but binary values. So second one is your assembly level language, where we'll be having the coded type of language, where the code will be which is called as an opcode or a pseudocode. In terms of a microprocessor, it is also called as an opcodes. Okay, so usually there will be a code, so your code will be decoded into a machine level language, and later on your machines will going to perform the suitable operation that is being given in with respect to your code. So next comes your high level language, which is a little bit higher, and which is much easier than the these two languages. So here high level language is nothing but it's a set of commands that can be understood by the computer. Okay, so it will be just like your English level language, where your English sentences will be used for a coding purpose. So and especially your high level language is very simple and easy to understand compared to your machine level language and also the assembly level language. So we can also use a mathematical notation, and using the mathematical notations we can able to solve the problems also. For example, if you want to calculate the total salary, right, so we can take the basic of a salary and also the DA, dearance allowances. Okay. So next, let us see some of the examples for your high level language. So especially your C is an high level language, which is relatively considered as a low level and also the high level language. So especially your C is an just as an English sentence oriented language, where we are going to give the comments in terms of your sentences. So other examples of your high level language are Pascal. We have Pascal, Fortran, Cobol, right? So Java. So these are the languages which were developed in the earlier stages of generations of your computers. Okay, so typically in the year 80s 90s. Okay, so these were the languages which were used for coding through the computer, which is also called as an high level language. And if you come for the application oriented specific languages, we have the MATLAB, JavaScript, and also Visual Basic scripts, which can be called as an high level language. So high level language is intended to provide features which standardizes common task. Okay, permit rich debugging and maintains the architectural structure. So it is nothing but it gives a standardized common task, which is helpful for, which also helps in debugging the errors. If in case if you have any errors, you can easily debug, and also you maintain a proper structure, right? So in the 1960s, high level languages using compilers were commonly called as an autocodes. Okay, in the 1960s these high level languages were called as an autocodes. Again we have the example for the autocodes, Cobol and the Fortran. So then what are the features of your high level languages? So high level language is nothing but it's an abstract of a machine level language, where your high level languages will going to deal with the variables, arrays, objects, complex algebra, Boolean algebra, okay, functions, loops. There are so many topics, okay, which made the programming easy for the developers or for the users. Okay, which completely focuses on the optimizing your program. So coming to the high level language, it also amplifies the programmers, and it also triggers for the movement of the data from one part to the another part without our knowledge. So in the background what happens, there will be movement of the data from one variable to the another variable, and there will be a manipulation, there will be calculation that will be carried out, okay, on the variables. All these things is nothing but the movement of data, so which will be happening behind your screen, right? So all these things can be achieved with the help of your high level language. And coming to the summary, so especially your high level languages, right, so will be written in an English coded manner, and these high level languages will be converted into assembly level language by using your assembler. Then assembly level language, again it has been converted into machine level language, okay, by the your compiler or interpreter. So usually what happens, high level language which is written in the English format will be converted into machine level language, which is zeros and ones, and later on it will going to perform the task that is being given or instructed in the as instructed in your program. Okay, so these are the things which can be done for your high level language. So references you can refer. Okay, so we're going to end the session. So thank you very much.